a shady nook one moonlight night, a leprechaun I spied, with scarlet cap and coat of green, a crushkin by his side. 'Twas tick-tack-tick, his hammer went upon a weeny shoe, and I laughed to think of a purse of gold, but the fairy was laughing too. Wee tiptoe step and beating heart, quite softly I drew nigh. There was mischief in his merry face, a twinkle in his eye. He hammered and sang with tiny voice, and drank his mountain dew, and I laughed to think he was caught at last, but the fairy was laughing too. As quick as thought I seized the elf, "Your fairy purse," I cried. "The purse," he said, "'tis in her hand, the lady by your side." I turned to look, the elf was off, then what was I to do? Oh, I laughed to think what a fool I'd been, and the fairy was laughing too. Grache me schulter, gescache me schier, skahichele honig, jacke me neer, Roma wadin, Roma harhino, Roma wadin, Roma harhino, Roma wadin. Snach pira ima wadin snaver an moon, Roma harhino, snak hesli daringa leider skabun, Roma wadin, Roma harhino, Roma wadin, Roma harhino, Roma wadin. Snach ach, ach,